What's up guys, I'm Brent and today I'm going to show you guys how to sharpen a point tool, or what is also known as a pyramid tool. Let's get started. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to sharpen a point tool. So what I've done, set my platform up at a 20-degree angle, and so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bring this up and touch it on all three sides, and you just want to make sure that you touch it or that you make these all consistent. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how that works. So bring this up. Sharpen on one side, flip it to the next one, flip it to the next one. Alright, so that's how you sharpen a point tool. There are jigs you can get for this, or you can make. I don't typically use them, but you can if you want to. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. Also, if you want to see some of the other things I'm working on, be sure to check out my Instagram and Facebook pages. I'll have links to those down in the description below. If you want to help support what I'm doing, be sure to check out my Patreon page. I'll have a link to that down below as well. If you haven't already, be sure to hit the subscribe button. And if you want to see some of my other videos, I'll have two pop up on the screen over here. Be sure to check both of those out. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.